Hello, I'm hello, I'm Amalie with Systematic Excellence Consulting, and today I'm going to go over not started statuses. So in my last video, I went over statuses, so make sure you check that out. But today I'm just going to go over the not started statuses. So I find this to be really helpful when maybe you're planning out a project or in content planning where you just want to have a place where you can list all of your ideas without it actually being an active task that's going to need something or action on it right away. So the way that you can tell which status is not active, we're going to click on the three dots and go to edit list statuses. And so here you can see not started statuses, active statuses, done statuses, and closed status. Okay. So when it's not started, this might look like a task list that hasn't, maybe you're planning it out and you've written out all of the things that are going to need to be done for a particular project, but they haven't been assigned yet, or they haven't been given due dates yet. Again, I mentioned the content planning. That's also helpful. It could be a topics list. We use that for our content planning. And then active statuses, that's where there's, due dates, and it's going to show that it's unassigned, and it's going to, if you have a due date on there, if it goes past due, then it'll turn it red. Done statuses are for statuses that aren't necessarily closed, but they're done. Maybe you're waiting on something, maybe you're waiting on a client. So basically it just goes into like on hold. And you could even add, maybe there's an on hold status or a waiting for status, and you just move that right down there. But again, the not started statuses are great because it allows you to have a list without them being active tasks when you're doing your planning and things like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and save this. The other place that we use this is with clients. So let's say you want to have a really easy place to find all of the clients' information, their branding guide, their social media templates, their podcast templates, YouTube templates. You can create that by using not started statuses. So that way it's not an active status. So here I've made all of these things into not started statuses. So that way they're not, this is just more of information and instructions versus it being actually something that's going to have an action taken with it. So that is not started statuses. I find them really helpful, especially for like this example, the content planning. If you're going to plan a project, but you're not quite sure yet of the milestones or the due dates, you can use the not started to see the task list and then sit down and start planning it from there. Or if you're sitting down and planning your content for a month or 2 months or whatever in advance. So again, my name is Amalie. I'm with Systematic Excellence Consulting. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you can catch our future videos. If you are looking for support or getting help with getting set up with ClickUp, there's a link below and you can book a free call and we can see if we can get you some support. Thank you so much for watching.